This is a basic side kick tutorial. Step 1, your feet is like this. Like this. If the position, if you want to attack the person, your feet is, preparation is like this. Then, step 1. Step 2, like this. Like this. Step 2. Step 3, like this.